Have you ever wondered how the universe came to be? How everything around us, stars, galaxies, planets, and even ourselves, came into existence? Today, we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through time, exploring the most incredible event in the history of everything, the creation of the universe. This is High Value Picks, where every pick is an enhancement. Let's get started. The universe, that vast and incomprehensible space that stretches beyond what we can imagine, has a history that began roughly 13.8 billion years ago. Its creation is one of the greatest mysteries and triumphs of human thought, a story that challenges the boundaries of knowledge and understanding. Part 1. The Big Bang and the Origin of the Universe. The most widely accepted theory of the universe's creation is the Big Bang theory. According to this theory, the universe began as an infinitely small, hot, and dense point. In an explosive event that took place about 13.8 billion years ago, this singularity expanded, giving birth to space and time as we know them. This phenomenon was not an explosion in a specific place in space, but rather an expansion from every point within the universe. What is fascinating is that, in the early moments, the universe was so dense and hot that subatomic particles could not exist separately. Temperatures reached millions of degrees, and fundamental forces like gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong nuclear force had yet to differentiate. This initial period, known as cosmic inflation, occurred in fractions of a second and led to an exponential expansion of the universe. Part 2. The formation of the first particles. As the universe expanded and cooled, what we know as matter began to form. Initially, there were only subatomic particles like quarks, electrons, and neutrinos. A fraction of a second after the Big Bang, quarks combined to form protons and neutrons, the building blocks of atomic nuclei. Soon after, electrons began to join protons and neutrons, resulting in the first atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium. This process, known as recombination, allowed for the creation of the first light of the universe, which can still be observed today as the cosmic microwave background, CMB, a sort of echo of the Big Bang. Part 3. The formation of the first stars and galaxies. Over millions of years, clouds of hydrogen and helium atoms began to clump together under the influence of gravity, forming the first gas clouds. These clouds collapsed, increasing the density and temperature at their centers, leading to the formation of the first stars. Through a process called nuclear fusion, these stars began generating heavier elements such as carbon, oxygen, and iron, elements essential for the formation of life as we know it. These primordial stars were also responsible for forming the first galaxies, massive systems of stars, gas, and cosmic dust. It is believed that the first galaxies formed between 100 and 200 million years after the Big Bang, and since then, the universe has continued to expand, creating new stars and galaxies. Part 4. The expansion of the universe. One of the most intriguing features of the universe is its ongoing expansion. Since the Big Bang, galaxies have been moving away from one another, a fact confirmed by the redshift of the most distant galaxies. This expansion has accelerated in the last few billion years, a phenomenon scientists attribute to mysterious dark energy, a form of energy that makes up about 68% of the universe's content, yet remains largely unknown. The expansion of the universe is also accompanied by the creation of complex cosmic structures such as galaxy clusters, supermassive black holes, and gravitational waves, phenomena that open up new questions about the fundamental laws of physics. The journey is just beginning. This is High Value Picks, where every pick is an enhancement. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the creation of the universe. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more exciting content. Sources: 1. Hawking, S. 1988. A Brief History of Time. Bantam Books. Point 2. Planck Collaboration, 2018. Planck 2018 Results. Astronomy and Astrophysics. Point 3. NASA, 2020. Cosmic Inflation. NASA.gov.